Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Inbox Helper review. So what actually is Inbox Helper? Guys, Inbox Helper is the world's first app that leverages AI hyper tech to build clean and optimize email list in any niche and deliver up to 99.9% of your emails directly to inbox in just 46 seconds flat. Creator of this software, Inbox Helper, Kundan Chaudhary. Who is Kundan Chaudhary, guys? You know, Kundan Chaudhary is one of the best software creator on Warrior Plus marketplace. He is also #1 affiliate and top 5% vendor on Warrior Plus. And this software, Inbox Helper, goes live on 7th of May, 11 a.m. EST. Right now, I'm in the sales space of this software, Inbox Helper. Guys, I'm going to show you step by step all the information about this software, Inbox Helper. I'm going to show you also quick demo how actually works this software, guys. So please don't skip this video before watching that demo. Okay guys, right now I'm going to show you quick demo, then I'm going to show you the pricing and audios of this software, Inbox Helper. So let's see the demo. Okay guys, I hope you fully understand about this software Inbox Helper. This is very easy to use software, and this software will help you to generate more money, and this software will help you to increase or email open rate. Okay, right now I'm just quickly introduce Inbox Helper features. AI email extractor. Don't have a list, it doesn't matter. Inbox Helper will legally extract targeted and active buyers emails for you and build you thousands of buyers list overnight. Just enter on keyword and let AI do the rest. You already know how actually works this software. AI is spam word finder, countdown generator, and countdown generator, email personalization, AI email cleaner, email preview, zero bounce, nothing to download, 99.99% deliverability, commercial license. And this software guys, Inbox Helper, will give you 30 days money back guarantee, so you have got nothing to lose. Okay, right now guys, I'm going to show you Inbox Helper pricing and OTOs. This software, the front end price only $17th. You know, this is the $17th. And what you will get if you purchase this front end offer, you will get all this. You can see all the spacers, zero hidden fees or extra expenses, nothing to download and install, limited time commercial license included, 100% easy to use, Navy friendly technology, iron color, 30-day money back guarantee, no monthly fee. And Inbox Helper OTO, the premium guys, $37 to $47. That upsell 37 and the downsell is 47. Guys, honestly speaking, I'm as an affiliate, I promote this software Inbox Helper. If you purchase this software through by my link, I will get a small commission, but don't overcost you. These commissions help me create free available videos like this. Okay guys, Inbox Helper OTO 2, $67. Here is the remove all restrictions and limitations and unlock IP reputation seeker for unlimited IP address, and all the information you can guys see here. Guys, consider the link in my video description below. OTO number 3 done for you, $97 to $197. OTO number 4th agency, $97. OTO number 5th is reseller license, a resell Inbox Helper and earn 100% commission, $67 to $97. Inbox Helper, the OTO number 6, the final OTO guys of this software, white label license. The buyer will get 100% white label code, so the customer can directly install it on their server, add their own logo, add their own payment, add their own name. So that's it. This is quick overview on Inbox Helper. I'm just back here, the sales page, and I'm going to show you everything guys right now. The sales page. Email marketing is dead? No, nothing guys. Email marketing not dead, email marketing alive. And if you is smart, then you can generate more money from email marketing, and this software will help you. This software is done for you. This software will work for you. Okay, this is a amazing software, you know. And what's fast app that extract, clean and optimize email list and all the spacers you can see here. This is very easy to use software and zero monthly fees. This is the one-time payment software, keep in mind. And guys, you can see Inbox Helper includes everything you need. Inbox Helper, AI list builder, a list cleaner, AI email generator. Guys, this software owner, Inbox Helper owner Kundan Chaudhary, will give you lots of bonuses, and I will give you $2,375 valuable bonuses. You can see the members area when you purchase this software through via my link. Okay, you can see all of my bonuses inside the members area. Here is all these things, and you have no problem. They will provide over the shoulder step-by-step video training inside the members area guys. Okay, and here is the vendor bonuses. Vendor will give you these all bonuses. You can see bonus number 1, lead generation on demand. Bonus number 2, email marketing success. Bonus number 3, email list management secrets. Bonus number 4, email monster. Bonus number 5, email list secrets. Bonus number 6, commercial license included. This is the vendor bonuses. and there are beta testers. And you can see guys the ironclad 30 days money back guarantee of this software, Inbox Helper. I hope guys you fully understood. I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon guys in my next video.